While you are asleep, dreaming, snoring, drooling, rolling from side to side, your body is running a secret overnight repair program. A program so advanced, scientists still can't fully explain how it works. Your brain is rebooting, your organs are detoxing, your cells are regenerating, your damaged tissues are being rebuilt, and your memory is being edited like video footage. Tonight, when you sleep, you won't just rest. You'll transform. Welcome to episode 3 of Unknown Discoveries about the Human Body. Today, we're diving into the bizarre, powerful, and scientifically shocking repairs your body performs, only when you sleep. Because sleep isn't rest. It's maintenance. It's construction. It's rebooting your entire system. What happens when you sleep? 1. The moment you fall asleep, a body takeover. You close your eyes, your muscles relax, your breathing slows, and within minutes, your brain switches you to maintenance mode. Your body literally paralyses itself. Yes, sleep paralysis is not a glitch. It's a safety feature. If your body didn't freeze your muscles during deep sleep, you would physically act out your dreams, punching, kicking, running, talking, eating. Your brain says, let's repair. Shut everything down except what's necessary. And then the work begins. 2. Your brain starts cleaning itself like a dishwasher. This one is wild. Your brain has a cleaning system called the glymphatic system, and it only activates when you sleep. While you're awake, your brain is too busy thinking, processing, reacting, stressing, and surviving. But when you sleep, cerebrospinal fluid washes through your brain. It removes toxins, clears waste, flushes out dead neurons, and reduces inflammation. One of the toxins it removes is beta amyloid, the buildup linked to Alzheimer's. So yes, sleeping literally protects your memory. 3. Your body fixes your cells, like a repair crew. Every second your cells collect damage, from sunlight, stress, pollution, food, emotions, even your thoughts. But during sleep, your body releases a hormone called HGH, human growth hormone. This hormone is a repair engineer. It repairs muscles, fixes tissues, rebuilds damaged cells, helps wounds heal, supports bone strength, regenerates your skin. Ever notice that injuries look better the next morning? That's the night shift workers inside you doing overtime. 4. Your immune system fights its biggest battles at night. This is bizarre but true. You don't get sick at night. You feel sick at night. Ever wondered why fevers spike at night? Why colds feel worse before bed? Why you wake up feeling exhausted when sick? It's because your immune system works hardest while you sleep. Your body produces more cytokines, deploys immune cells, attacks infections, repairs inflammation, regenerates defenses. That's why your body forces you to sleep more when you're sick. It's trying to repair the battlefield. 5. Your skin reboots. Overnight regeneration. Your skin is like a self-repairing suit, but it only activates its strongest abilities at night. While you sleep, skin cells regenerate 3 times faster. Collagen is rebuilt. UV damage is repaired. Pimples shrink. Wounds close faster. Hydration levels increase. Ever woken up glowing after a good night's sleep? That's not magic, it's biology. And when people say beauty sleep, it's not a metaphor. It's a scientific truth. 6. Your memories get replayed and edited like movie scenes. One of the strangest things your brain does at night? It replays your day like a highlight reel, then decides what's important enough to keep. Your brain stores emotional memories, deletes useless information, edits scenes, strengthens new skills, reorganizes thoughts, connects ideas you never linked before. This is why you learn better after sleep. It's why you solve problems overnight. It's why dreams feel like random movie scenes. Your brain is literally re-editing your life. 7. Your heart and organs enter maintenance mode. During sleep, your heart gets a break it never receives during the day. Your blood pressure drops. Your heart rate slows. Your arteries relax. This gives your heart time to repair blood vessels, reduce inflammation, improve circulation, reset rhythm. Meanwhile, your liver detoxifies your blood. Your kidneys filter waste more efficiently. Your hormones rebalance. By morning, your organs feel like they've had a full spa day. 8. You physically grow and strengthen while you sleep. It's not just kids who grow at night, adults do too. Your bones regenerate. Your muscles rebuild from workouts. Your metabolism resets. Your appetite hormones recalibrate. If you've ever hit the gym, felt sore, then felt better overnight, that's your body repairing micro tears in your muscle fibers. Without sleep, you don't grow stronger, you grow weaker. That's it. So the next time you think sleep is just sleep, remember this: it's the time your body becomes a superhero. Your brain cleans itself. Your cells regenerate. Your heart repairs. Your organs detoxify. Your immune system fights battles. Your memory upgrades. Your skin rejuvenates. Your emotions reset. Sleep is not optional, it's your built-in repair system. Thanks for watching episode 3 of Unknown Discoveries about the Human Body. Subscribe to Quick Daily Facts so you never miss the next mind-blowing episode. See you in the next one.